Hello, we would like to introduce you how to use our 360 planetary bone meal machine. Okay, the first step, install the jar. If your jar is smaller, you need to use a nylon spacer on the bottom and then tighten it one by one. Remember to tighten it to lock. One by one, total 4 pieces or 2 pieces. And here there is a safety lock. You need to let the safety lock on. And after that, you need to close the door. Here, I want to introduce the buttons on the panel. The blue one is no more milling start button, and under the blue one, it is the stop button. And the red one, the red cycle one, is the 360-degree start button. Okay, so if you do not press it, the 360 rotating will not start. And the yellow button is the speed of the 360-degree rotating. So you need to set the speed here. If the speed is 0, then it will stop. Alright, and in the middle there is an emergency stop button. You can find it there. Okay, that's all for the panel. Now let's see how to do the operation. And after you close the door, we want to show you the video, so we let the door open. After you close the door, you can start the rotating button, and then you can set the 360 rotating speed. Then you can see it will start rotating like this. And then you can also set the speed of the jar rotating manually if you're in the manual mode. As you can see, the 360-degree rotating can stop any angle and any time. If you want to manually control it, so you can use the black button to stop it and rotate it anytime. And the jar self-rotating can be programmable set in the controller. Later, we will introduce you how to use the controller and how to understand the controller. That's for the operation, so it is quite simple after you set the parameter. Now let's go to the parameter setting. Right here you can see the monitor on the top, which will display the code and the time, also the speed, alright? And on the right there's a round button which is control the speed control key, and also the program confirm key, data enter is the confirm key, and shift is the digital shift key, and also the up and down key, and then the neutral, which is quite useless, and also then the main menu key and the return key. And the green is wrong, the red is stop. These two buttons is actually a spare key, so there's no function for these two buttons. Alright, that's the buttons for the controller. And here the machine has two working mode. The one working mode is when we running. You can refer to this picture, the mode meaning, and also this picture. That's the code meaning you can refer to and how to set the program. Okay, regarding how to set the program, I have another simple I want to introduce to you. For example, here. So now we want to set a program when we running 30 minutes and then stop 4 minutes. Stop 5 minutes, and the total milling time is 120 minutes. How to setting? First, UA 5.01 select 1, which means 1 rerunning. UA 5.05 select 30, which means 30 minutes running time. And UA 5.06 select 5, 5 means 5 minutes stopping time. UA 5.14 select 135, which is the total time. Okay, that's how to set it. And this picture is the multi-stage code meaning, which you can refer to. I will share this picture to you too by mail, so you can check the picture. Now let's see how to do the settings with the controller. Start the power, press the menu button below the green one, and find the UA 5.00, press enter. Now it is 1, which means 1 will running, press enter. And then choose other code like UA 5.05 and press enter. After you press enter, you can set the time. And second, you can find UA 5.06, press enter. And here you can set the time, which for the stopping or what else. And then you can find UA 5.07, do the settings. So the time you can calculate and set the total time. UA 5.14, 5.14, and set the total time here, and press enter. Then you can press the start button of the rotating and rotate this button, this speed button, to control the speed right here. Okay, let's see the simple of the multi-stage running. So in this picture, you can see how to do the setting. Please just look into the picture. Regarding how to set it, let's refer to the video right here. First, you need to set UA 5.00 to 3, and then press enter. Now it goes to the multi-stage running, and then you can set UA 5.20 to set the speed, the time. Anyway, set it refer to the code meaning. Okay, so it, like I said, it has multi-stage. Okay, so you can set it different speed and different time. Okay, this video setting is exactly for the simple 2. So refer to the video, you can understand how the simple 2 setting be done right here. And there's one thing we need to let you know, that in the multi-stage rotating, the speed is not changeable by the speed rotating button. So the multi-stage rotating, the speed is fixed. The speed is as per you set in the program. Alright, and then in the multi-stage running, there will be like forwarding running, reverse running, and stop. So any action you can set. At the scene, it is UE1 5.14 is for the total time. You need to do the exact calculation for the total time. Okay, if you do not set the total time, it will keep running. So remember to set the total time. That's all. Thank you.